was for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba had the latest hot aqua era with a bravo. And we so we subscribe to channel idea but more say over subscribe. Double yard say over click a year the subscribe button. Now wa barely notification. We had a video for free be upload when the first person once ebe can a year sa video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana me mo hanom. Afi ye hwe ye ensemo ababeto yepono so yiti eye sabkubo ya ekoso yi mama yiti sansem yi.
It is asofo na me bu sase Pentecost asofo na mo ka ho na. I am asking you, me more be adin. Assemblies of God asofo penifo na mo ka ho na. Openi Kojo Kyeremanteng. Aye bia no say Anno kasa. Aye bia no na press before ka ho na. Jiamen so sha o mame. Roman Anglican press be ka ho na. Come in sha ho. Asofo na mo koye na me wo mudin wo mo pictures. You guys are murderers. You are dangerous species. You don't deserve to live with us. If I were the president, me do nyame kadade na me ma yeche mugum. Na ka ma soro ma bebu sase, dent na your excellency, watch it. Sofu ya, ni din ase. Eyo, ka me bo obi a first letter. Na ma ko hwe won. Why would you want to do that? Eti Adia ya see yen ye sika be maybe the 100 bags of cement every month. They are telling me from Fidelity. Go to Fidelity Bank and check my account. Every month I was paying 100 bags of cement. 10 months 1,000 bags of cement. Do you know how much? How many bags of cement are me? Matter for the National Cathedral. Basically the National Cathedral platform that's we want to mean free so. These guys are murderers. They are like David. Moja or Monsaho. If you say, pinphobia or yare, ekotria tax. Carpenter be of feed that is more from pa or tria tax. Present to be a common deno. Yet the tax. Mpenifosi sika eye moja. Now moja abedia buying ho. Na ban asai sika no ente se na sofo mpanifo amuwo kroma who told you say mama nka se mi nchama ne sampa na ya mobo maye no enye adwuma hu munima me no kura ni bi o wa ne kede and na wo ye mistake wuti ya o ya ma sofo bi bompa wo de ye funyare ye beka ho akofie. You think we don't know? We know. And there are genuine men of God and so ye nim don't Romani Mahama. This pastor do not have an iota of idea how you became the president in 2024. You have no idea. All these pastors neglected you. They were afraid. It took few pastors. Your friend say, Jesus, your friend say Jesus Abrante. Jesus Ahofe. It took the Niger cases. It took the Bedu Kobis. It took me wa fayo wo Kumasi. Ono de opamo mem so alim pajam muma opamo. It took them to rally the church for you and other pastors. Samambo udinya anche say ma to actually there be na minim wasori din. But these are the few I know. Edu baby, all these pastors were preaching against you. How can they now come to you and tell you, say, Nyamese, it's a lie? Now watch this, your mama. Nyamese me kanchirao. Sa so for the thing Nyamese, Nyamese me kanchirao. Say, one. Ne komsheni penny bit to kwanchen. Ne ngosra Arrést. He had no anointing in him. Bible says that what did you mean? What can you queer pimtree or say now was saying no? Just say, well, Jimmy, so penny, where Jimmy. Na saa so from penny for a Jimmy, you will be a kruma. Never am try Bible. So now was saying no, just say, well, Jimmy. Anna, come send Kitwa bin swa. And go sraya ne ma. Nyame kachre ne say, hey! Nyash, who kwa men didi. Nyash, men didi. Men nom, didn't you say? Nyash ni atwong. Oh, nyash na nyash. Anyahe, nyash. Men didi, we didn't the nash wow. My first cameraman with your other DBP Boateng kane. Me say me chawa de me di mfie na ya mfie na so yin. E be so 1st June. Me chawa de. Ka me bo from ewo GH media wa me no ni pit STC. Ka me kwasha me nanim say gron. We see STC. Your first place GH media. Kame bo from our GH media. Kame na me tom se kukuro. Dadu bi o kan be wo ma hem ha. Ba na kam hwe apro. Ka bibia come study. Papa we dey saving me with the camera. Me se me di fie na ya me che wade. 1st June me che wade. Me sa de ne call STC. Me to amnam. O se captain wo kuto camera se me media na camera obeto atwere ne wa saving me no. Wo tem se me wo na kuto camera. Akwa we nyash. Nyash, men didi. Nyash na nyash. Men didi. Men nom. Ba we fumu nya pan, wo minimu na ho, ko sise wo beduru. Bible ne say, okodu ye na okoton asofo nkwakorafo. Edifo nkwakorafo. A wogu kwan ho. And what that no John, these old men are deceiving you. They are confidence tricksters, who said they are deceiving you. John Mahama, I am telling you today. May I not be person about me once for him, but let me tell you today. Media personality be a nigga ha. Eduma me ye no to be ma. Edu fia, edu baby na fia ha, na menya time, etu kanti bi. Senuama, Afro, any antiama, Mr. Ma, to save me. Almost everybody in this house was against me. Obi o fe bia not time. Few of them, na no money me yadri. Obi no bia time o fia, obi anya ke yimedi. I knew what I was doing. Because me call baby na me call baby, me call baby and me call baby. Me free baby ba baby na me free baby who call baby. Ye kwase baby pie baby didi baby. Ni ye benum baby ni ye betena baby no. Na me hu say se Bawumia win election na Ghana bebo. Se Bawumia ye nipa bone. Baby achimfo ne de Ghana ti kwa share ye no. No ma ye Bawumia jimi. Me na me ka kire ho. But Bia na 2028 Bawumia won't be the president. Ba ye bedware no ma na dream ada ho. Bebe omo de ti ko share no ye be yi Bawumia free ho. But 2028 emfa. Minim de America. Wo da ye na. Nipa bia be wu ba me ko sise me wu no me na. To the other. John, hey, I saw four kitwa come, she didn't kitwa no kwaton kwakrafo na egu kwa ho no. I saw him catch and say, oh, now you see a old prophet. Ancient of days. Ni atom kwase anyoma kire wo. And I catch us, oh, did he? Nom. Sa nyame na o ka kire wo say. Men didi. Na men no no. Sa nyankopon kro na ne ma be kasa. Let me say it today. Nyame ne akokora nkasa. Any Bible, enya biblical. Enya Quranic, any Quran mu nso. Nyame oson kwakorafo dae. Nyame oni akwakora bia nkasa me na Kwaku bi cham nyame oni ne nkasa but one show bi bebusa say then na Mose di over 500 years na nyame ne nkasa won nyame ni so no that time no na Mose oya brante ba yenye mreso yi akwakora ya akwakora if say Mose time na Yesu nwui Abraham time na Yesu nwui Abraham try bi asa ko be ma ne ba Isaac I to say Yesu ode ne ko ba for de yame anje amfa to kire no dwan representing Yesu ye dwama o be san ba bi mu no ba be wu age Isaiah time na Yesu nwui ti that time na nkokora bom no na nyame hu ni say eye brante bom eti David ba akokora na owu no na nadwen ancestor asa de ne da ho na David ref fi say David ntinim ena Yesu be fi ni ya twe Yesu efi David ntinim ti David said that catch nyame say oh say me sama ho odin sa ya me mpa me Jankopon say jai jimi no na ma twe ntinim awie meyi na frim eti say wa ba akokora bra obekọ ena David ba ni patibiem ofiri nyame tibiem ba ni patibiem ena o mka say David di opema na ne je ma akokọ tiatia ho kwa be nkroma kokrowa anya tenten David on pem ma tenten pem kokrowa ntentia 5 ho ne ho be 5495 ho no ne ade ojiji dem ni mpoku asiso Bible say ye oba ne ko kire David akwakora yare wate apo eti that time na sa oba akwakora nyame na ma wa hoden ebedu David the last person so no nipa na ma na hoden oba ne so je ne ba bia ne nofo ti be ma bi onum no fo bia na dwen nya adwuma me ma ta num no fo no ma dwen mu da na ka kire na na dwen num no fo wo Yesu dim ye fa no nto nchen akwakora no da komseni ni ka kire ne say the same Yankopon no kasa no osimi ka cho say didi num ena komseni kitwa yi Mahama o komseni kitwa every leader is a prophet. Every leader is a prophet. Didi. Nanom. Ena komsheni so hweye no. Wa hu. Me sheda abubodi nkeke wu. Me nka ase saa na asofo no ye. Me de bubodi nkeke. Asoro kese ye wo Ghana ha mu asofo nkwakrafo ni na ahia. Eti me ma soro Pentecost. Sa wo call retirement I say ya pon efri adwuma kitikiti yom. Ya pon we free obere adwuma nim sa komsheni dada no te say John Dramani Mahama sa asofo nkwakrafo we they are corrupt but I am watching they na me can say John Mahama into committee no me investigating national cathedral na de chen ya no mko your excellency I'm telling you today if you don't set up a committee to investigate the national cathedral I'll turn against you. I swear on the grave of my grandmother. I will turn against you if you don't investigate the National Cathedral. I am telling you today, and when I turn against you, you know what I mean. It will not be well. Sa komshenino then they see here. O didi num ye no. Bible say onam kwan no so ko and a jata a chin away. And yet the bia na tie padin. Penny bi ho awagini ntie no enye de bia na tie penny so do not allow anybody to use his age to talk to you because any age without a knowledge the more you are aging there must be a knowledge you know the lead with the age and you find knowledge KNOW LED. Emo bia wanyini enti job trust eh. Enyo bia wanyini nanim nyansa. Heye won panifu agimi bukrum ha. Na mka kire me hia bia nan nansa. O man kasim kwan so tum sa papa no wanyini ba wagimi. Enyo bia wanyini bia nanim nyansa. Enti John me ma kwakora bi o hye kasok etufo can you tell me, sir? Yes, or dying, amenyame. Why did God ask David not to build the temple? Because they moja abanensahu. With Boni. He's the one God appointed to build the temple for him. But God stopped David from building that. Why? Because there was blood on the hands of David. And on the man, Solomon. David did no Jim Crawford. Solomon so by say fine. Me papa mo jana na ewumu. Me dem njo bia here ba me ware fine. Uja fi wie your kabo na 1000. What here bo mpa ma oba se oba. Nyame ma ni nyansa ti say Solomon. Oba ne pen ma wo se won te. That's it. Solomon mo jana ma pe wom. Ah, na John Hawker say easy. Solomon mo jana ma pe wom. Ti wo bo mpa ye bia ma ba ya dream mienu. Etu ti aso dem nyame ma me banyan sati se Solomon. Sa wo fra wo krom hene. Ye mo mpa ye ma me be krom hene ma na ti se King Solomon. Wo ya na hire o pa ma na wo ti ase. Wo ga se mpa ye bia na ye bo. Emema di Abraham o wiase bi na o pa check. Emu fa afọ bu medida. No, opa check it. Let's Emema di Abraham e wo krom wiase mu ha. 90% of them omo made that. Because Abraham have a Hagar. Ah, what are you talking about? Oh, you think we don't know? We know. What's the more of your what? Oh, well, when did he made? Adorye. Ready. Ah, Opa check it. Opa check it. Opa check it. I didn't know what more the wiase di agro. Me no na ha me no. Sa komsheni no akwakora no ma komsheni abrante no ewuye. And the Bible said what? And the land had no prophet. Cause akwakora no nyame ngosra na we. Abrante na ngosa won so jatache na we. So there was no prophet. John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, I love you. You are like my blood. John, what is a moja na woman muno? So what yes I saw for when I'm blackmail you. It said David a moja one in Saho. Now when David I adwin. So unko si die no. David di mirika be kwa kokan asrafo eme nyame asoma bofo ba ko abe kum mema ni nyina. Why careful? Trouble be count. John, investigate the National Cathedral. Because there's a serious criminality in the National Cathedral. Nyame empe. Oseme meka nkyere wo se ompe de ye course wa ye di din epra o my Ghana. It is so na maybe say Pentecost so for na mo ka ho na. I am asking you be me mo bi adin. Assemblies of God are so for penny for na mo ka ho na. Openi Kojo Kyeremanteng. Aye bia no say Anno kasa. Aye bia no na press before ka ho na. Jiamen so sha o mame. Roman Anglican press be ka ho na. Come in sha. Aso for na mo koye na me wo mudin wo mo pictures. You guys are murderers. You are dangerous species. You don't deserve to live with us. If I were the president, me do nyame kadade na me mayeche mugum. Na ka ma sori ma bebu sase. Dentina your excellency. Watch it. Sofu ya ni din ase eyo ka me bo obi a first letter na makọ hwe won. Why would you want to do that? Eti adia ya say ye na ye dey sika be ye. Maybe the 100 bags of cement every month. They tell me from Fidelity. Go to Fidelity Bank and check my account. Every month I was paying 100 bags of cement. Months, 1,000 bags of cement. Do you know how much? How many bags of cement are? Me. matter for the National Cathedral. Based the National Cathedral platform, that's we won't mean free so. These guys are murderers. They are like David. Moja or Monsaho. If you say, pinphobia or yare, ekotria tax. Carpenter, be of feed, that is so more from pa, or tria tax. Present to be a common dino. Yet the tax. Mpenifosi sika, moja. Now, moja, abedia buying ho. Now, buying a say sikano, and to say, now, so from penny for a more chroma. Who told you, sir? My main cousin in Germany, some pine I am mobile my no. And yet, moon. Munima, no credit be a one naked, and now we have mistake. Would see your master for be born by only from Yaria become one of you. You think we don't know? We know. And there are genuine men of God and so, and also Yenim. Yenim say, and Crawford so why ya so for papa. I am not disputing that fact. There are genuine men of God in this country. May we suffer not a man, Pam. We are suffer a girl and Yamasem. Because Obian who have a health of our and then guess yet 10. It's not true. I suffer now aware. To be suffer penny catch him says and Yanko mam 30 seconds will be enjoy what you're doing. I mean, about 3 as a 30 seconds and also or so penny pa and I can't ask some chemi. So penipa. Or that one didn't cry Jane Dikai. As I say, your chachmota. And I can't hear you. Eh? You think we don't know? We know. We know. We make us a captain, Bank of Ghana, dear Nache, there be a shaho. Me. It's Your Excellency, prosecute them. Me say, me a member of the Church of Pentecost. But the commission, ni anchi opoku inankotna commission nanim. Now how they were able to spend $50 million on just a swimming pool. Opoku ina must be able to answer. And John, what the opa menye? Say they should forget 2028. We overturn the spiritual verdict. Papa mun show the date into. Et some say bibi wo say. If you fail to investigate the National Cathedral, we overturn the spiritual verdict. We overturn it. When you say National Cathedral, and Asofoni na any Archbishop, the dome, FSA. Dome. Ajnasare yaka. Now say you see Adena Manyankopon pa. Adentina Asofoni na ko kasa samkwan your friend say Ajnasare any samkwan chankra o me yandi sifo ntimen fa o nka ho. Say you see Manyankopon pa. Adentina Peter wonim reason o de mai. Professor Mel say yare no. Ajnasare ne samkwan chankra na bom pa yama no. Anytime o me yandi sifo. How? These same pastors, these same bishops, these same prophets, they came to you, Your Excellency, and told you this, and you are aware. Say, I say, because they prayed for Professor John Evans Fifi Atta Mills. In any case, so there's no prayers under the sun. When your time is up, God will turn away from you. Because Nyankopon so hear flowers, e woni fie fe. To say Captain Smart, me time so me ho fe ya me de te hey meja abodu kura me ho fe chen boy. Your boy then mu shave fire ko unity no asanka yo mu. Hwe nanim me ho fe chen boy. But me time so amewu a God will never. He can pardon for a certain time. To say oh yeah man Ezekiel no. Man just 15 years spend a car home. Or we at the time so say okay wobra. Means we had the papa with me fee. And he took him away. That was Hezekiah, right? But time no one you go. O pastor for Ghana in entwa ohunhia. Your Excellency, Come on, look me directly in my eyes. Your Excellency, se wunim we anya warning. Na wunim na wuja National Cathedral to because as so far as woman blackmail you say they will turn the church against you. Who told you the church belongs to the pastors? So for come fe yo live a resurrection then so for your workers work when we so for match soko yebu akọ so for the Presbyterian Anglican for ewuko. They are all gone. Your Excellency, I am telling you this morning. If you leave the National Cathedral because of this blackmail, I swear we will overturn the spiritual verdict. We will overturn it. Investigate the National Cathedral. Prosecute whoever is involved. Because the National Cathedral pay won't mean you be abium. Jomama, would Cathedral pay the Akena the Bible back home because can ofori the Bible pen no koti. Jomama, would National Cathedral to her pay? You cannot prosecute anybody. I bet it's open. As of for unpened that's open be jail. But
Commander, my a question answer as your experience with national security and airport plane na ye kan ho asem no alen say lande wo krom ha di 5 days ansa no mo de fofroba e ma wo mo eye ho adwuma mo koye nti sa 5 days period no se bibi sa si wo airport mo ye adwuma ho no den na mo ye
yo aya na nipa no bebre ente nyama ni biase nti o mo kan just like that pray bia ni ho betima twam o Ghana ye airspace without authorization you bet to what from what is it
okay
yes
Ghanaian forces is ready
the air force
air force say wo ba na one seek permission enya Ghana na wo ba wo
one touch
wo free Togo etwam akoko d'Ivoire no permission even on our waters on our waters ukoko fa pono so na ye Ghana territory na one seek clearance on betu
okay
eti ansa na plane be Ghana no wo ne frɛ no landing permit
okay
ye wo airspace a obetimaje permission atwam wo ba be landi wo Ghana just a lot of information I beje every where you know include even nyama wo de ba ni bibia wo mo beje sa de no no mama ye can say permit and so what my baba BC number 1 near menua fojo e kan ye no media mi hu say na ye political propaganda
okay
she ye wa hey information ya ni enya no ye ka se putu ni nyina wa bonten a Kenya papa memi wa airport obi timi ka chem so oh ayi bia ba BC ha sei ya lodu sika ma eni ade obekom na hwe
ni ho
oh container bia BC airport sika kwa na gum asiwa be say former MPB any party pedibi eba be hu me bra na mo airport no oh omo ni broni bi na bae oh omo sika bia ba be ka container dia ntin komo pese be ya yi na komo ko do mo ko bie so hwe se etisen adam say ah na se mo awokan o ti ase ye ba sika wo container ba be si airport o pese o bebe ye adam say okay ana me put two no question 1 or 2 afi na kwa no hopo adam say okay gina ho ana me frɛ custom officer bi adam say ah yes say obi say ana kwa na zini da former MPN say hope say nyamishira we nka mi ko gumi ho ani mu ase kwa won hu de tie no wada da wo mo anka wo mo edi papa obo ho so no da ko atwe wo musika nyina akura o sika no go wo de ma mi say na mi fa ko yese ni daga ama nyama fo ye ewo krom no bebre several examples we can give you bebre so on it now the way you propaganda in the sense is they say obi afro oh pray bia ba besi ho wa mo frɛ da bia Peter say o mo che no nre
de o mo che no nre
say o tu kwan a Akufo Addo time o mo ma no permission I will use presidential gate.
Nigeria.
How on earth? One year diplomat.
Akufo Addo.
One year she. One year businessman. Ewokrum hati. And then the man with that permit. Your members of parliament cannot use the presidential gate. It's only the president, ebia ambassadors, or no crano, a special clearance from the national security. Answer. Obia du hon mo betima yusu. Just say what your clearance. Every me ebrana mo say otu for the wife otu kwanya. Bo besi form na oh. E na me frɛ me coordinator and I'm say otu for yire oba the way and think one hwese nka gate 19 on betima man clearance. O so okay. Ana mo tutu no man no man clearance. E say no no duru ho a wo di wram. Ehimfu bi wo ho mpanifo bi like the chairman of council of state, speaker of parliament, chief of staff, foreign affairs minister ne wo mo no betima use that gate 19. Not the new presidential gate, black gate, you know. The mom old terminal gate 19. Ubetima ura hodom. Eti sa papa yi eti bi nya the authority.
I call black gate.
Ura ho. Wo kwa de biama ebu card mu nyina obi anseche. Yen scanne.
Yes.
Straight or drive straight to the aircraft. No move no ko. Or ba ka wram akwako yi ne ma straight no dey aba obia nim say we na me de ko we na me de ba. This is the country we are in, and the people
no, this is the country we were in. We are not more in.
We were in.
Jesus me who cry you say so power is saying ya one day be na info say papa no eko ada me frɛ and this impedi for me
alatani ya chi
alatani ya ana mo ma boys buy the kokko gina gate 19 na fact mranche the see form no a bit to say I come in agbesi abo.
Oh okay, I can see that.
Yes, that's right. Afe say how there unim say cameras obu ye na no obu ya alarmed om say eh e dey na ekosu ah ye gina ho na yempene no o ma mata mo de beba wo ye duru ya na me ma one of the guys ekọ gate na no ana aviation security obi say oh na omo adamfu bi o tukwan o be yusu ha sei na o ka se o mehia no eti o pese o hu lista o mo be fa ho that day na on hwese o ka ho ase won ka ho dia na wakwa time no wo inside ho o bobo e na di ni ka hey eti wana me ka se on frɛ for reinforcement ana guys no buy eti o mote me o ha na police for e buy o I'm say my friend we are here on a peaceful mission monko mochi mo ya mo adwene se mo beye bibia ne ebe ba no blame yourself anaja o mkoko pe ba bitinai ah ye gina ho yempene no ah that the former coordinator Asumani do afraid Julius Debra and Hopeson the boys have gone on say timo ho no mo ana menya ko na mzi enya asem no say ni say was ah sada asem ni there okay me na wo kasa da ye gina ho no mo hu si aba begu ho no mo ko bie black gate na only the president have the access to that gate ama mai no afa ho no ama the fright no wakwako wram atuko ni ye gina ho no mo twen say oba be fa gate 19.
Who did that?
And the security coordinator.
Yeah, sure.
My identity hodum. Me, I am planning to meet the new coordinator. Na mamano some kind of a year. As is our investigative. This thing happened on this 14th of December or so. 14th of December.
No, but then there was no. We were not.
American. Yes. You know, no, either 14th or 18th. I will check the date well. As I said that day, activities. As I said, or more investigating. sad date no
no
mo hwade yeah wo ma che no on ayi wasa kokoye ayi fufuro etini entim for jo kan no plane eba no o ma je o landing permit o ma ba be you know there are lot of can say several instances are plane aba anti-bank back. I can mention British Airways etimi si tarmac so be 4 days you can say Turkish airline esi tarmac no so more than 1 week. KLM eba that did some days you say yi kakra ba ho just some engineers if you broche ba no mo behwe eni ade etimi eti ono sa no be ka se na bibi wo mu ntina wanti man kwa na so ne eche no eti all these things ekoso now ebi wo hodum a private jets ni bi ba na eye delegation bi a omoba on official visit ebi a omoba be hu president ebi omoba be hu ye kan say ministers bi ni ade wo mo je sa clearance ni nyina ansankrofo na ba eti the mere fact is private jet taxi no it should not be the you say because say if you say anasi say no and say kan say the mum say obi tia o na say bibi say ya then you go further to do thorough investigation. Now in team for your etis asem ana go frɛ national security coordinator and not frɛ NIB and not frɛ police even CID and IGP
and even the MD of the airport.
That's right. And what catch and say information say na manyanti mumien tu ho na money ehwe.
Quiet.
Ana ko muamua ana obeka na bontia. Ono no ka me support no 100%. Say otu ana mon papa. Nieti America we nyina ne say me say a political propaganda just to smear Mahama the beginning ya no yema ne local black. Very dark. Ewa man for this so. Eno no mo ye no. Now, can you imagine this? Party, two political parties here di o man yisu. Obi be betena ase. We don't know cocaine no o se wonche anase won kan kire nkrofo. Aname boa.
Yeah.
And obi so ba ye no say, "Hey, what is here metwa?" Within a matter of you can say 3 months no. Major bust. Involve over $350 million. Now, Okoka say, "Sani pano ye cocaine." It means you don't have sense. Without any apology. How can you say, "Wo, Kwaku Annan"? No, what's actual? Doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
At times, what ye in Comunibia, na ye bibia e wokonum. But process in another way, I say, one tiasiano. Be I support it. And go through, hey, you say it's a matter of time. Ubeko, Obi Bass, Ukochi. Ube one is so happy, Mudan. I have a baby now, Wunya baby and copium. And these are some of the things that, share, my being ready story, you are intro.
Okay.
City.
2 minutes on
City newsroom. Cocaine trafficking syndicate of Ghanaian origin arrested, jailed in US. This was published in February 14th, 2022. Yedi Valentine. Ena ebaso. Nieti American way no. Na amount for enya understanding of it. Cocaine fight, you know, it's not about making noise. We understand. One more or mine. The team for you, ye. Obi bia wo ye involve bia senka na enka ye no krempoa wa scatter bibia wa say bibia now was say a gang of drug traffickers having been arrested through a joint operations by Ghanaian officials and their counterpart from the United Kingdom. 2. The arrest led to the seizure of 38 kilograms of cocaine estimated to be valued at £2.88 million sterling. Tiedino. The suspects are Kusi Apia, wadi 51 years. Abed Kaitre Jemfi, wadi 52 years. Jennifer Ajemai, wadi 38 years. And Julius Tete Poplampo, wadi 58 years. Now, Sanklofowi, go and do their background check, their political affiliation. Go and do it. Then say, "Wamu free party mem." Number 2, wamu che wamu no appear and wamu di catch no first. Ewo UK. Wamu che no Arrést no wamu wo maimu ha sei. Wamu anya hu dede. Sa story a me kai. After say wamu aye bibia jeli wamu and the bar bonten a city e publish here. Now, wamu che Eric no and wamu detain no. Anno money na yes oni nkrofo no kasa no mafre o fa sei fa ha ye sei and dey kaka ho anno mo tamu ya Ghana fo no so ehu a because omo nche omo ha sei eti omo say oh we na ekwo no na yama red light no uduru ho ani apeke uboko uduru ho ani anno mo di nya sa 5 we a che say omo ageli omo a omo wo UK prison menim say omo twa omo mfi awia na so omo ntwan wie eti in that case no one say omo Cartel no our modi operate no yakate no eti say na nkese se handle the issues wotia no one information boko ni a training nipa na ni ache no ni a training nipa na ni ache no any ade se ubefa ye kan se private jet se wa lodu cocaine agum e de bagana just wa bodam na obey sade no I am telling you because Ghana has no ye mu your security for no but I can tell you say your security system is one of the best in Africa emre bia na make say Ghana police service say wo mo ankasa gya to mu say ye free akoma mu pay ye adwuma Ghana has engede azel na wo gai enkrofo bebre o ma cheche wo mo amanfo ma bonte ne ne kai ka ho no eye bebre etibe de sa koke issue we no betima catch your plane say propaganda and anom de say Koko ya who shifted the burden of proof to government. Wo na wo allege no. Oh jo wa fi ho. Ana strategy ba kwa file say Mahama respond ye ne ye mo hye no. E kwa quickly. As you know, oh matro defense and interior committee let us meet and only one committee.
Now need to meet me a meeting and some other to
what that's information wo committee na man say committee asabo amatini level we badam for bawo any 1 week gra menena aye ana me catch how some of these things should be handled any other. He was grateful, but it should not be that, it should not be so. So babe kasem na wie na fe u take cover ewo ana parliamentary duties ni ade. Yes. Obia nsi ukwan se menye. Ghana ni bia ni ho ebesi ukwan se hu se koke a wuntimi ma meka ho asem. Nanso asa na ba meka ho asem no. Koke do gra ne mi hu ye no. Photo a mi twa ye ni. Video a mi take ye ni. Sample bia mi hu se de da ho na me pick ye. Enu nie et security for monje na mo fa nya adwuma. Simple. Sadie we identify the image of the country. Very huge. Yeah, face at yani identity very, very huge.
Okay.
Now we share MPP news portal. Now Omoyeyi and you and other government say, look, you are destroying this country.
Okay.
And change one of you. And now movie say abandon the bumba mu mu crowd mo. One day, move about bemu. Nessa image when I'm what created the Ato no. Na fe eba be hanjo. Obi a wotie bia, but ebia top Ghanaian officials arrested in cocaine issue. Now they share the number of a year beba. Now they share names na ebeba. Eti MPP should be the last party to be talking about stop cocaine. They should stop it. O ma kwakwa mu hu te se keje ti agronfo no. What do you wa yiska no oboto wa no de ne sa kire wachi bronfo no adani wani ubeka hodo no ajira okodi dade
yo itifo we ne a reporter abato yepono so meka say so unya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanom also betimi a chere wadwen afa eye somwe nyina ho ewo comment box mu mobati minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.